Hello, it's Gary Peplow, and I just want to let you know that if you're flying in federal airspace, there are a lot of rules you have to follow. I'm Part 107 pilot. I've been trained. It's changing all the time, and they're very, very strict. I mean, thinking about hitting other aircraft, following the rules, everything else. But there's one thing we can do is I have a Mini 2, and it's not certified. It's not registered or anything with the FAA. But if I fly it indoors, it's not federal airspace. So when we have an incident, I can send the drone in and look at the building inside. So I thought what I'd do is I'd show you this last one that we did. It's a building that we used for an exercise, but the thing that you need to see is that when you go in and look at it with the drone and everything else, there's all kinds of damage, and that damage was caused by SWAT when they were practicing on it. So how cool is that? But just this is a way so you can see what the capability is. Now, though, one thing I have to warn you about is that there's a lot of light in here. If there's no light, the drone has real problems trying to get around, and of course the video doesn't come out very good anyway. So just remember, if there's enough light, we can get in there. As long as I don't fly in federal airspace, I can take this little drone that's unregistered and get video inside, which may tell us what's going on inside before we enter. So let's just take a look at this.
Team leader, there is a person down and not responsive in the northeast corner of the building.
Person down, not responsive, northeast corner building. Copy.
There's a gas main that has been turned off on the north side.
Gas main off, north side. Copy.
Safety team, was that a call for help?
Hello, IC. This is Team 1 reporting.
Pick a team and get it on that guy.
Okay.
Can we have
Room,
Team 1.
glass
Outside of the building. That's the,
hazard.
you know,
We
face
have
the building.
southwest window open and a south electrical panel open as well. On the west side, we have the front door open.
You gotta see.
Broken glass.
As you face the building to the
upon
right-hand
walking
side.
towards the house. One victim and the
We
nearest
got
room
practice
living
it.
room.
You're doing it.
Also one victim on the
That's
northwest room. Someone is
Are we safe to go in?
one and team 2, have you finished the walk around and is it safe to enter? Copy.
This is 2. Team 1, it is safe to enter.
Copy. Team 2, is it safe to enter?
This is Team 2. Yes, it is safe to enter.
Okay, team 2, enter please.
Team 1, victim has shallow breathing, head injury. We need trauma bandage for head injury and stretcher to extract. Copy.
Team leader, this is Team 2. We have a victim in the northeast corner. We will need stabilizing material. Team leader, this is Team 2 in the northeast corner. We will need some gauze For the injury, you can pass it through the window on the north side.
Copy. Team lead, medical, can you bring us